All right, let's begin. Today we're talking about slope-intercept form. Pretty simple. And actually, I think maybe it would be better today to do it on, what do you guys think? Do you like doing this on graph paper where you write on one side and graph on the other? You want to do that today? Okay. Okay. So when I'm on this white paper, that means I'm on the back side. And then I'll pull up a graph when I want to be on the other side. So right now you're going to write slope-intercept form on the back side of your graph paper, or if you prefer, you could do it in your notebook. Today is 12:15. Okay. So example 1, we're going to go real easy here. Let's say that something had a slope of 4/7 and a y-intercept of 5. Do you guys remember the equation for a line, a straight line? Tell me. Y equals, no, I mean like just a general equation. Yes, y equals mx plus b. Do you guys remember that? That sound familiar? Do you remember what m is? M is the slope. And b is the y-intercept. So if we're writing this equation, we'd write y equals what?
4/7
Mm-hmm.
plus 5.
Exactly right. Okay. Now, this time we're going to try graphing it. Let's say we had y equals -3/2 x plus 4. All right. I'm going to write down some steps over here. What's the first step you should do when you're graphing these things? What'd you say? Yep, so start on the y-intercept. And then? How do we do the slope? Is that the part you don't remember? So use the slope with rise over run to plot a second point. From the y-intercept. If it's a positive slope, you go up and to the right. If it's a negative slope, you go down and to the right. Is this too easy, or does it help to have little steps written in your notebook? Okay, helpful for some, not for everybody, that's okay. Okay, so let's do this one together. Let's flip to the other side. We're going to write example 2 on the other side, because that's what this goes with. If you want to, you can grab a ruler. If you want these to be straight, if you don't care, then it doesn't have to be. Personally, I like things to be straight. Okay, or at least graphs. Do you guys remember that I am not insistent, as long as you are going by ones, that you don't have to write a scale on here, but you do have to write X and Y? Okay, now our notes say the first thing we do is we start on the y-intercept. So I'm going to start on 4 and on the y, because it's a y-intercept. And then it says that I need to use rise over run to do this -3/2, and with a negative slope I go down and then to the right. So from this point, I'm going to go down 3 over 2. Down 3 over 2, down 3 over 2, and I'm going to draw that line in. Okay. All right, why don't you do this one with your team? So I'm going to have you write down now, I want you to write example 1 down, because now you're going to graph the equation from example 1. So with your partner or with your team, please graph that one. Talk to each other. Go. Talk, talk, talk. Even doing it once would be fine.